Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. You know, here once again I explain to everybody, we custom build every one of our engines. That's why we are in the top of our game. Whatever you want, we try to make it reality and build it for you. This one happens to be going into a Bronco. Check out the numbers. It made over 450 foot-pounds of torque right off idle, straight on through. The RPM band, which ain't high, it goes right up to about 5,000, 50-some-hundred, and it's done. But that's what a good Bronco motor should do. Off idle, right up into about $5 grand. And it made about 476 horsepower also. Or whatever, vice versa, 450, 470, numbers are straight, pretty much on both ends. This was painted blue, you got nice yellow wires to show the Ford with the yellow. Got a full boat CVS system on here, and we're running our Holley EFI system. Again, all of our engines are custom built to order. So if you're interested in any one of our motors, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.